and thank all of you for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, today's class is going to be very wonderful because in this class I will tell you, look at, English is depend. If you want to know English is depend on what, so this class is only for you. In this class I will tell you some internal process. I will tell you some internal process to learn English. In this class I will not tell you about grammar of English. I will not tell you about parts of speech. I will not tell you anything external process. I will tell you everything internal process of English. Look at, so I will tell you English is depend on four things. Your English is depend on four things or four techniques. First one is willpower. Okay, in Hindi we call इच्छा शक्ति. You know willpower in Hindi we call इच्छा शक्ति. Second one is your resolving power. Your resolving power, it means संकल्प शक्ति. Okay, and the third one is your spirit power. Okay, it means भावना शक्ति. Okay, and the fourth one is self power. It means आत्म शक्ति. So I will tell you about four main elements from which you can learn English, and English is depend on these four elements or technique. So let's talk about first thing, willpower. So it means if you want to learn English, so first of all you should create willpower. It means, you know, when we want to do something, so first of all we create desire. Okay, if you have desire to do something, like if you have desire to learn English, so it means you have willpower. Okay, so for starting any work, whether it is English or anything else, first of all you should create willpower. So it is an internal process. As I told you, today in this class I will tell you internal process of learning English. So internally, if you have desire to learn English, it means if you have willpower to learn English, then only you can learn. It means it is the first point which I have told you. First of all you should create willpower to learn English, then only you can understand and you can speak or you can listen and read also. Okay, you can do everything. First of all you should have willpower, like parts of speech and grammar is a different thing. First of all we should have this quality, then only we can learn English. Hope you must have understood. After creating willpower, what you need to do for learning English? Resolving power. It means your firm determination. Resolving power means your firm determination. After creating willpower, you should be stick with your decision. Like you have taken decision to learn English. It shows your willpower. After taking decision, you should not move. It means you should not go another work. First of all you should complete your first task. Like if you have thought that I will not stop less than having learned English, so you should stick with this task. It is called resolving power. It means your firm determination. After creating willpower, you should stick with your resolving power. Okay, it will help you to be a good communicator of English. You can gain good command over English communication with the help of this power. Okay, so resolving power, after creating willpower, you should focus on resolving power. Next one is spirit power. It means after doing both the things like willpower and resolving power, you should also concentrate. Spirit power. It means spirit power means emotional power. Like emotionally, you should be strong. How it works in English? Like whatever you think internally, you know, first process is internal process. So whatever emotions you get internally, so you should try to translate in English. So this power will help you. Okay, whatever emotions, like if somebody hurts you, so you get some emotions, so you should try to translate into English all these emotions of Hindi. Okay, it is called spirit power. Okay, like I know you get emotional in Hindi, so simultaneously. So guys, if you follow this technique like spirit power, so it will help you very much in learning English, because spiritly if you are very strong, so you can learn not only English but also everything of the world. Okay, and the last one is what? Self power. You know, power. So what do you mean by self power? Your soul power. You know, self power means your soul power. It means at the end you need to be very strong self. Okay, you have to be self strong, because while learning English, while speaking English, many people will criticize you, many people will try to let you down, but don't yourself let down, always let up yourself. So if you are self very strong, so this power will help you. Okay guys, so I want to tell you overall, if you want to know English is depend, so internally today I have told you internal process of learning English. Okay, so first of all you should have a willpower. After having a willpower, you should also have resolving power. It means firm determination. And after having firm determination, you should have spirit power, like emotionally, sentimentally, you should be strong. At the end, self power. It means your soul power. So if you use these technique while learning English, so it is automatically make you in autopilot mode. In English speaking, if you want to come in autopilot mode, so you should use all these 4 techniques. So automatically English will come to you. Okay, and it's my own experience. And if you like my videos, so never forget to subscribe and watch my videos. Okay, so that's it for today. Jai Hind.